Imagine you are working inside a company as a system administrator or DevOps engineer. It's a normal working day. Employees are using internal applications, customers are accessing the website, APIs are processing requests, and everything seems stable. Suddenly, monitoring alerts begin appearing everywhere. The website becomes slow. APIs stop responding, users cannot log in, customers start reporting failures. Developers blame the infrastructure team. Infrastructure engineers blame the application team. And in the middle of this chaos, experienced engineers begin troubleshooting using two extremely powerful command line tools, telnet and curl. Now, most beginners underestimate these tools because they look old and simple. They don't have fancy graphical dashboards or modern interfaces. But in real production environments, these tools are incredibly valuable because they help engineers identify exactly where the problem exists. They help isolate the issue very quickly. Before understanding these tools, we first need to understand how communication works on a network. Think of a server like a huge office building. Inside the building, multiple departments are running. Every department has a different door number. In networking, those door numbers are called ports. For example, websites commonly use port 80 for HTTP and port 443 for HTTPS. SSH remote login usually uses port 22. Mail servers use port 25. Databases like MySQL often use port 3306. This is where telnet becomes useful. Telnet is one of the oldest networking utilities ever created, and its job is very simple. Telnet checks whether a TCP connection can be established. For example, suppose users report that a website is down. The first thing an engineer might test is whether the server itself is reachable. They may run telnetcompanywebsite.com/443. Now let's understand what actually happens internally. Your system attempts to establish a TCP connection. During this process, your machine sends a SYN packet to the server. If the server is reachable and accepting connections, it replies with SYN ACK. Finally, your machine sends ACK back. And the TCP connection becomes established successfully. This process is called the TCP three-way handshake. Success means DNS, reachability, routing, and firewalls are all functioning. Now suppose instead the engineer receives connection refused. This means the server is reachable, but no application is actively listening on port 443. The network is healthy, but the service is unavailable. Now imagine telnet hangs and shows, connection timed out. This usually indicates a network-level problem. Maybe a firewall is blocking traffic or routing is broken. Now let's move to curl. Think about it like this. Telnet checks whether the door is open, but curl actually enters the building, speaks to the receptionist, and verifies the services are functioning correctly. When you use curl performs DNS resolution, establishes TCP, and also performs SSL or TLS negotiation for encrypted communication. Finally, it sends an actual HTTP request. This is the biggest difference. Telnet tests connectivity. Curl speaks the protocol. If curl returns HTTP 1.1200, okay, the application is functioning correctly. But if curl returns HTTP 1.1500 internal server error, it means the network is healthy, but the application crashed internally. Maybe the backend failed or the database connection broke. Let's look at a real-world API example. Instead of opening browsers, engineers can test the API directly using curl. If it responds with authentication token expired, they know exactly where to fix it. Curl is also vital in Kubernetes. Engineers can SSH into a container and run curl against an internal user service to verify its health. If it returns a response, the service is functioning. Another reason engineers love curl is verbose mode, using the -v flag. It displays every internal step, from DNS to SSL certificates and headers. This is invaluable for debugging complex communication problems. So in simple terms, telnet mainly answers, can I establish a TCP connection? While curl answers, is the application itself functioning properly? Together, they are essential tools for modern infrastructure. Thanks for watching. Reach us on Instagram and Telegram for mock interview guidance and network interview scheduling. See you next time. Happy learning.